Guys, we're headed back up to the boat with a vehicle full of cabinets. Today we are going to take the cabinets that we built yesterday up to the boat and see if we can't get them fitted in. So if this is something that you're interested in, please stick around for the video. This will lead right into kind of building and putting the cabinets together yesterday, and I go through the process. We created two 14-inch cabinets with two shelves each, and then one 30-inch cabinet with a single shelf. So the two side cabinets, one will be, you know, kind of like a pantry, or the two side cabinets will be a pantry. The middle cabinet will be for bulky things, perhaps some clothes, whatever. As you know, storage on a boat is pretty premium. So like I said, if this is something you're interested in, stick around for the video. Check out the build process. I used pocket screws and some just regular screws depending on which face was going to be facing outward or not. And we built a base for it, and we'll talk a little bit more about the base when we get up to the boat. So enjoy the video, and we'll see you at the boat. All right guys, we're in the workshop, and these are the cabinets basically. So we've got a 14-inch cabinet here with two shelves, a 30-inch cabinet with one shelf, and then a 14-inch cabinet with two shelves. We've been cutting all morning, and these are the side frames. So this end down here will go up against the hull side, and then it's of course curved up to the top. So this is 14 inches, and this is 17 inches down here. So we did a scribe last time we were there, and then here are all the parts. So all the shelves and all the pieces in a nice stack. Everything's labeled, and so we'll put them together and show you what they look like. All right, guys. Well, this is I got everything together. So you can see that there's two equal ones on each side, and then there's a big one in the center. And then everything is glued and screwed together. All right, we made it up to the boat, and forgive the mess. You know, it's a constant workshop on this thing, it seems, and probably will be for some time. So I just wanted to talk about the cabinets a little bit. So on the starboard side, there was a wall that didn't have anything, and I think I mentioned this in another video that some of the Tallycrafts came with cabinets. And so because storage is always one of those things, we in the last video we kind of took a stock cabinet to kind of see what it would look like, and then I decided I was going to build my own. And so as you saw earlier, we built the carcasses. We scribed a line last time we were here so that the cabinets actually follow the side of the boat, so that we don't lose that space. And 14-inch wide cabinets on either end, then a 30-inch wide cabinet in the middle, and then their depth ranges from 14 inches at the top to 17 inches at the bottom. And then the shelves are graduated to fit in and fit nice and tight up against the wall of the boat. And then we're gonna top that all with a countertop piece that we're gonna actually redo the whole kitchen with as well. So I'm really happy with how it kind of turned out. We have a base that it's gonna sit on, and let me just show you what we got going on. All right, so here it's all mocked up, and you can see the base at the bottom, and then the two cabinets on the sides and the one in the center. And just doing placement. I did not put a toe kick in like a normal cabinet because I was going to build this on a base. And the reason why is I just wanted to make sure that the base of the cabinet was on a treated wood surface, and then the cabinets just basically sit on top of that. Plus, if you look in the center, there's a gap, and the reason why there's a gap is because we are putting hydronic heat in this boat, and that gap is built specifically for the hydronic heating unit, fan unit, that's going to go right in that space to help warm the salon. So in one of my early episodes, we put this door together. And it is designed to open. And then we have access. Right now there's just a regular fridge in there, but we're gonna put a nice fridge in that space. But you can see it tucks up right next to it well. And we have, I would say, about a 1/2 inch of clearance. So I did pretty good with that. And then that little tin right there is for the sending unit. So sending unit for the fuel tank. So we'll put a panel over top of that when we do the floors to make sure that we have access to that. So pretty happy. As you can see, it leaves us with a ton of storage space that we didn't have before, and we have a nice ledge that once we put a countertop on, I think it'll finish it off nice. I gotta do the face frames still, but today we're gonna put the cabinets down. So let's get to that. Guys, well, I think that turned out really good, so I'm super happy. So we're going to do a varnished white oak block top to it to kind of dress it out, and then we'll do face frames and determine how we want to finish it after that. So pretty happy with how everything came out, you know, from just having an idea and starting with a cabinet and saying, you know what, I think it could look like this. I think our, you know, really increased our storage capacity, and I'm really happy. We're going to paint it white, so that'll kind of keep some light in the space to go with the shiplap stuff we did on the back wall, and I think we're going to be happy with it. So it's coming together a little bit at a time. So thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it, and just a little sneak peek into some early spring projects for us. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave me a comment. I'll respond pretty quickly. If you guys are subscribers to the channel, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for following us along on our journey. A lot of exciting things coming up this year for 2022. So we'll see you guys next time.